After days of looking for a dirt bike, we finally found one. But it was 5 hours away. So, we got in the truck and drove 5 hours out to go look at this dirt bike. Stay tuned to see what happens. Enjoy! What's good, Wild Obsession Outdoors? As you can tell by the title, we are going to get a dirt bike today. I gotta go get my buddy Trip right now, go pick him up, and then we got a 5 hour drive to go get this sick bike. But let's get in the truck and go pick Trip up. I literally just called this dude, and he still hasn't walked out. It's been 5 minutes. I don't know what's taking so long. Might not ever make it there if he don't hurry up. I'm calling him again. He's probably gonna be mad, but oh well. Or we might not get an answer.
Preston, I'm up. No.
You said 7 o'clock. You gonna be ready.
Well, it's not 7 o'clock, is it?
It's 7 right now. I'm looking at the alarm.
It's 6:59.
Okay. Alright. Well, any day now.
Well, thank you. It's 7:06.
Yeah, but we had a set time. If you're not early for anything, you're late. We gotta leave early.
Preston, you should have been a drill sergeant.
Well, I'm just saying, you gotta be ready. If you gotta be somewhere at 7, you should be ready at 6:30.
I'll be ready in 5 more minutes.
Alright, well, I'm waiting on you. He's in the shower still. We got 5 more minutes, guys. We're getting a late start to this trip already. You ready? Just got out of the shower. It's 7:05.
Yeah, but I'm ready.
A few moments later.
About time. You finally ready?
No.
Here comes Prince and Charming. He's got him a Dr. Pepper and he's all ready.
Didn't have nothing else to drink.
We are 4 hours out, guys. Trip's still with us. He's hanging in there. He's actually behind the camera and he's up and awake. We're gonna tune in with y'all in about 2 hours. We gotta stop at a gas station or something anyway. Maybe there'll be a Buc-ee's on the way. Currently, 4 hours out. We made a quick stop to get some gas. Gas is terribly high, $3.79. Trip went to the store. Got him a little Gold Peak sweet tea.
Got some Gold Peak. It just really goes good down your throat.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Shut up, dude. $113.61 later, we got it filled up. But let's get back on the road now. And 2 hours out. Alright guys, we just got here, we got the money. We're finna get out and check the bike out. Looks good.
It does. He's even got the... You got that plate that runs there so you won't sling mud all over, on your engine and stuff.
yeah, I guess next step is a test drive if he'll let me. I'll leave the money with him or whatever before I do it. But
Yeah, I see.
I like what I'm looking at.
What do you think of it, man?
I think we're gonna buy it. I like it.
It looks good. Sounds good too.
It's got a lot of power. Didn't really get into it a lot, but I think we're gonna make a purchase. The bike has been purchased. We ended up getting it. Pretty excited. The Honey Gold boys will have some content soon. He's got him a YZ250F. So pretty excited, but let's get back to the house, unload this bike, and now let's really open it up how we want to open it up. We just got the bike back to the house. Finna go down the road, see how much power it's got now that I can top it out. Alright y'all, I just got off that bike. I had it rearing up in 5th gear. It's quick. Finna let Trip see what he thinks. But it's got a lot of power.
That thing has got some freaking power. Some power. We're gonna be dripping our sauce everywhere on these things, man.
Stop it. Get some help.
I love it though. It is a beautiful bike. It rides good too.
Yeah, it does ride good. I'm super pleased with this bike's power. It's really quick. Trip said it was fast. I'm glad we made the purchase. We're gonna have some more content out soon, riding and stuff like that. For the little bit we got to stretch it out, super pleased with it, but more to come soon. Thanks for watching.